In the world of electric cars, sometimes the biggest news isn't a flashy launch or a viral headline, it's a subtle shift that changes everything. The electric vehicle industry is known for its rapid pace, but every so often, a single announcement can ripple through the entire market, leaving everyone rethinking their next move. Recently, BYD's CEO, Wang Chuanfu, made an announcement that sent shockwaves through the industry. It wasn't just another routine update, it was a moment that made even the most confident competitors sit up and take notice. Instead of celebrating another sales record, he delivered a sobering message. The competition was catching up, fast. The tone was different, more urgent, and it signaled a shift in the company's outlook. For the first time in years, BYD's dominance in China slipped, with smaller companies growing at a surprising pace. The showroom floors, once crowded with eager buyers, now saw more choices and more rivals than ever before. The message was clear: the EV race is wide open, and the old story of BYD versus the world is over. Now it's a multiplayer game, with new contenders entering the arena every month. A new generation of car makers, tech-driven, agile, and innovative, are rewriting the rules. These startups are not just following trends, they're setting them, pushing boundaries with fresh ideas and bold technology. BYD's slight dip in market share signaled a turning point. Investors, analysts, and even rival CEOs took notice, realizing that the landscape was shifting beneath their feet. The industry realized that even giants can be challenged by nimble newcomers. The barriers to entry are lower, and innovation is happening everywhere, from small workshops to global boardrooms. This wasn't just about one company, it was about a shift in the entire landscape. The balance of power is changing, and no one is immune to disruption. The CEO's announcement was a wake-up call. No one can afford to relax. Every decision, every innovation, now matters more than ever. The future of driving is more unpredictable than ever. With technology evolving at breakneck speed, the road ahead is full of twists and turns. The game is changing, the players are changing, and the next chapter of the EV revolution has just begun. The world is watching to see who will lead, who will follow, and who will be left behind. Every car company, big or small, is now on high alert. Strategies are being rewritten, and the pressure to innovate has never been greater. The race for the future is officially back on, and this time, the outcome is anyone's guess. The real shock wasn't BYD's performance or even the fact that the company has dominated headlines for years. It was who was gaining ground, and how quickly the landscape was shifting beneath everyone's feet. While BYD remains the world's biggest EV maker, a wave of smaller Chinese companies is surging forward, each bringing its own unique vision to the electric vehicle market. These aren't traditional car makers, they're tech startups and electronics giants reimagining what a car can be, blending software, hardware, and design in ways the industry hasn't seen before. In early 2025, BYD's market share dipped, while companies like Leapmotor and XPeng saw their shares double or triple. Suddenly, the old rules no longer applied. These speedboats are outmaneuvering the cruise ship, thriving in a brutal price war, and proving that agility and innovation can beat size and tradition. They're not trying to be BYD, they're building cars for a new generation, packed with tech and digital connectivity, designed for people who grew up with smartphones and expect their cars to be just as smart. The future of the car industry is about software, brand, and user experience, not just manufacturing. It's about creating a lifestyle, not just a mode of transport. These new players understand that young buyers want a car that feels like a smartphone on wheels, with seamless connectivity, intuitive controls, and constant updates. The surprise isn't BYD's stumble, but the speed and creativity of its challengers, who are rewriting the playbook in real time. Innovation is the real winner here. The companies that can adapt, experiment, and deliver what customers want will shape the future. The electric car market is more dynamic than ever, with new brands and ideas appearing almost overnight. The next big thing could come from a company you've never heard of, or a team of engineers working late into the night on a breakthrough idea. The lesson: in this industry, no one is safe from disruption. Even the giants can be toppled by a bold, new move. The underdogs are rewriting the rules, and the race for the future of mobility has only just begun. Let's meet the new stars who are redefining what it means to drive electric in China. These innovative companies are shaking up China's EV market, bringing fresh ideas and fierce competition to the world's largest auto scene. Take Leapmotor for example, once unknown outside China. It just posted its first profit and doubled its market share in a single year, signaling a dramatic rise. Their technology is so advanced that even Western giants like Stellantis are now licensing it, eager to tap into Leapmotor's cutting-edge EV platforms. Then there's Xiaomi, best known for its smartphones and smart home gadgets, but now making a bold entrance as a car maker. In just 6 months, Xiaomi sold nearly 160,000 cars, leveraging its trusted brand, massive fan base, and deep tech expertise to win over new drivers. XPeng, another key player, slashed its losses and saw revenue soar, thanks to its relentless focus on smart features, driver assist tech, and a seamless digital experience. Even Volkswagen is using XPeng's platform for its own EVs in China, a sign of how far Chinese tech has come. Companies like Seres, partnering with tech giant Huawei, are also making waves by blending automotive know-how with next-level connectivity. What sets these firms apart? Massive investment in R&D, a tech-first mindset, and a willingness to experiment with new ideas. They're not just building cars, they're building digital experiences on wheels, turning vehicles into smart connected devices. Their agility and innovation are challenging the old guard, forcing established automakers to rethink their strategies and adapt quickly. These companies are growing fast because they know what today's consumers want: affordable, high-tech, and stylish electric vehicles that fit modern lifestyles. The game is no longer about who's biggest, it's about who's smartest, most adaptable, and most in tune with the digital age. China's new EV stars are setting the pace for the global industry, and the world is watching their next move. As Chinese EV makers surge ahead, Western giants are scrambling to keep up. Stellantis, owner of Jeep and Fiat, reported a massive loss and scrapped costly EV projects. Chinese brands are undercutting them in Europe and North America with cheaper, better-equipped cars. Stellantis is now pivoting back to hybrids, seeing them as a more realistic step. Ford's CEO admits the pressure from China is immense and is betting on a new EV strategy, hoping for a Model T moment to revolutionize the market again. Western automakers, once industry leaders, now face high costs, tech gaps, and complex supply chains. They must become faster, more efficient, and more innovative to survive. The next few years will decide if these giants can adapt or fall behind. The old playbook no longer works. The race is on to reinvent themselves for the electric age. Their future depends on how quickly they can change. The challenges for Western carmakers aren't just about competition, they're about politics. New US tariffs and the end of EV tax credits are making imported cars pricier and the market more uncertain. Stellantis lost hundreds of millions to tariffs and is now focusing on hybrids for the US. Political shifts force companies to change plans overnight, making long-term investment risky. Meanwhile, Chinese companies enjoy a huge, supportive home market. Western firms must navigate a maze of changing rules and regulations. The EV transition is now as much about government policy as it is about technology. In this new landscape, agility and adaptability are more important than ever. How are China's smaller EV companies winning? It's all about tech, partnerships, and knowing their customers. They invest heavily in R&D, far more than traditional car makers. Their expertise in software and batteries is so strong that Western giants now license their technology. Strategic partnerships like Seres teaming up with Huawei combine car engineering with world-class tech and retail power. These companies master digital marketing and build communities around their brands. They sell not just cars, but experiences and identities. The old model of car making is being turned upside down. This formula is letting the underdogs take a surprising share of the market. Every car maker faces unique challenges in this new era. Western giants must speed up development and cut costs to compete with China's fast movers. BYD's challenge is to stay ahead and avoid complacency as rivals close in. Smaller Chinese firms must turn rapid growth into sustainable, global success. All must navigate shifting regulations and unpredictable consumer tastes. The future could be EVs, hybrids, or something entirely new. Success now requires vision, flexibility, and bold bets on the unknown. The winners will be those who adapt fastest to the twists ahead. In this fast-changing industry, leadership is everything, and BYD's Wang Chuanfu stands out. His recent announcement wasn't weakness, but a strategic warning. No one can stand still. Wang's deep engineering background and control over BYD's supply chain give the company a huge edge. BYD makes its own batteries, chips, and motors, keeping costs low and quality high. Wang's relentless detail-focused leadership has taken BYD from a battery startup to the world's top EV maker. By acknowledging the competition, he's pushing his team to innovate even harder. His vision and technical expertise set the pace for the entire industry. As new challengers rise and Western giants regroup, Wang remains the benchmark. His next moves will shape the future of electric cars. In the race for the future, all eyes are still on BYD's driving force.